now the new questions. The set of all real values of x for which x square minus mod of x plus 9 plus x greater than 0. So here, even among the given choices, none of the choices not present. It means one of the choices, a final answer. So the quicker approach of this question is uh, take the support of the choices. Let us take option 1. So here, greater than minus infinity and less than minus 9, and union greater than infinity, greater than 3 and less than infinity. So let us check on putting x is equal to minus 9. Okay. Choice 1 is saying less than minus 9. I'm putting directly x is equal to minus 3. Let's see what happens here. If I put x is equal to minus 9, then minus 9 square is 81. And here minus 9 plus 9 0. So mod of 0 0. And here x is minus 9. So this becomes 72. And 72 is greater than 0. It means x is equal to minus 9 is a solution of this inequality. But according to choice 1, it is given that x must be less than minus 9. Okay, so this is not a right choice. If it is not, we can also cancel this one. And here, according to choice 2, it is greater than minus 9, while x is equal to minus 9, satisfying this inequality. So this is also cancelled out. So choice 1, choice 2, choice 3 are cancelled. Answer is choice 4. This is one direct approach. And now see the general approach of this question. In general approach, as we know, mod of x is equal to x where x is greater than equal to 0, and mod of x is equal to minus x where x is less than 0. So these are two cases. This is case number 1 and it is case number 2. So this is the definition of mod x, modulus x. Okay. So let us apply the same thing in given question. So here, mod of take case 1, and here mod of x plus 9 is equal to x plus 9, where x plus 9 is greater than equal to 0. So x must be greater than equal to minus 9. Okay. So in this case, x square minus x plus 9 plus x greater than equal to 0. It is x square minus 9 greater than equal to 0. X plus 3x minus 3 greater than equal to 0. So solution is 3 minus 3. This is, and it is not. So this will be solutions. Means x is greater than 3 or x is less than minus 3. In case 2, mod of x plus 9 minus x plus 9, where x plus 9 must be less than 0, means x must be less than minus 9. So put mod of x plus 9 is equal to minus x plus 9 here. Then x square, this minus and minus plus. So it is plus x plus 9 plus x greater than 0. So x square plus 2x plus 9 greater than 0. We can write it x plus 1 whole square plus 8 greater than 0. So all real value of x will be solution of this inequality. But here it is given that x must be less than 9. So if I take the result of case 2, all real values of x. But here x is less than minus 9. So solution must be x this is. And here it is. So if you club these two results of case 1 and case 2, choice is fourth. Now the next question. In a triangle ABC, point D and E are on the sides BC and AC respectively. BE and AD intersect at point P such that AD is to AT is 4 is to 3 and BE is to BT is 5 is to 4. Point F lies on AC such that DF is parallel to BE, then BD is to CD. This is to be found out. So, okay, let's draw the figure first. This is a triangle. So, here triangle is A, B, C. And this point D is on side BC. And point E is on AC. BE and AD. BE and AD. BE and AD intersect at a point T. At a point T. Such that AD is to AT is 4 is to 3 and BE is to BT is 5 is to 8. It means AD is 4x and AT is 3x, and here let us take BE is 5y and BT is 4y. Point F lies on AC. This point F lies on AC such that this DF is parallel to B. DF is parallel to B. So look here. Here we have to find BD is to CD. BD is to CD. This is to be find out. Okay. Here AD is 4x. AD is 4x. AT is 3x. So 4x, so it is this TD will be x. And here it is BE is 5y and BT is 4y. So BT is 4y and it means TE will be y. Now see, this line FD is parallel to BE. It means triangle ADF, triangle ADF and triangle APE. So here this is this side, TE side of triangle ATE is parallel to the FD side of triangle ADF. These two sides are parallel. And angle A is common between two triangles. It means these two triangles are similar to each other. So triangle ADF will similar to triangle ATE. So it means their corresponding sides ratio will also equal to each other. So it means ET sides of triangle ATE is the corresponding sides of the triangle ADF DF side. Means it is DF. This will equal to the AT upon AT. So here ET upon DF, AT is 3x and DF D and AD is 4x. So it means the ratio between ET and DF is 3:4. Okay. Means if ET is 3z, DF will be 4z. Means ET, take ET with any constant. So let's take, let ET is 3k, then DF is 4k. And now ET is a y and TB is 4y. Okay. If I take y is equal to 3k, y is 3k, then VE, that it is 3k, then y is equal to 3k. It means BE 5y means 5 into 3k is 15k. So BE is 15k. BE is 15k. Okay, and y is equal to 3k. Now take triangle BEC. Triangle BEC, BEC, and triangle DFC. Again, this BE side is parallel to FD. So these two triangles are going to be similar to each other because this angle C will be common in both triangles. So it means these two triangles are similar to each other because this line is parallel to this. So definitely this angle will equal to this and this angle will equal to this. So the angle, triangle BEC similar to triangle DFC. Okay. It means FD, FD is side of CFD. FD's corresponding side in triangle CEB is BE. CD upon BC. Okay. So FD, you know, FD or DF is 4K. So we can take it as 4K. VE, VE, V is 15K, CD upon VC will be 4 upon 15. Okay. We have to find BD is to CD. BD is to CD. So CD is 4. CD is 4. Okay. The ratio between CD and BC is 4 is to 15. So it means B, BC, BC is 15 and CD is 4. So here BD is going to 15 minus 4, 11, and CD is 4. So this 11 is to 4. This is our answer. Now the next question is the ratio of expenditures to Lakshmi and Meenakshi is 2 is to 3. And the ratio of income of Lakshmi to expenditure of Meenakshi is 6 is to 7. If the excess of income over expenditure is saving by Lakshmi and Meenakshi, and the ratio of their saving is 4 is to 9, then the ratio of their income. Look here. Here the ratio of expenditure is given 2 is to 3. But here the ratio of income of Lakshmi to the expenditure of Meenakshi is given. Okay. So expenditure of Lakshmi, let us take L, and expenditure of Meena I am taking M. It is given 2 is to 3. Okay. So we can take it it is expenditure of Lakshmi is 2x and here it is 3x. And then ratio of the income of Lakshmi. Income of Lakshmi, L, is to expenditure of Meena is given 6 to 7. Okay. Saving ratio is 4 is to 9. What is saving? Saving is actually income minus expenditure. So here, saving of Lakshmi over saving of Meena is 4 is to 9. So saving of Lakshmi we can write income of Lakshmi minus expenditure of Lakshmi. Saving of Meena is income of Meena minus expenditure of Meena is given 4 is to 9. And here we have to find the ratio of the income of Lakshmi to the income of Meena. This is to be found out. Okay. Income of Lakshmi, expenditure of Meena is 3x. So here, income of Lakshmi will be 6 by 7 of expenditure of Meena, which is 3x. So I can take this 3x. Okay. So here, income of Lakshmi, we can write 6 by 7 of 3x means 18x. It is a general approach. Minus expenditure of Lakshmi is 2x over income of Meena minus expenditure of Meena is 3x is equal to 4 by 9. So solve it. 7 to the 14, 18 minus 14 means 4 by 7x over income minus 3x is equal to 4 by 9. So I would like to write it directly. Means 4 by 7x into 9 by 4 is equal to income of Meena minus 3x. This 4 and 4 cancels. So 9 by 7x. So finally, income of Meena will be 9 by 7x plus 3x. So 7 3 is 21. So it is 30 by 7x. It is the income of Meena. So income of Meena, this is, and income of Lakshmi, this is ratio. So income of Lakshmi, 18 by 7x, 18 by 7x. And here income of Meena is 30 by 7x. This 7x cancel. 6 5 just 30, 6 3 just 18. So it is 3 by 5. Income of Lakshmi and income of Meena ratio 3 by 5. Answer is 4. Now take one quicker approach. How can you solve this question? By quicker approach. Here, Lakshmi and Meena. Income, expenditure, and saving. Okay. So, a ratio of expenditure of Lakshmi and Meenakshi is given. So, expenditure ratio, Lakshmi Meenakshi, suppose it is 2K, then it must be 3K. Ratio is 2:3. Okay. Now look, now here given the ratio of the income of Lakshmi to the expenditure of Meenakshi. It is given 6 is to 7. 6 is to 7. So look here. Do one thing. Here it is a 3K. Okay. And it is required 6 is to 7. If I take here 6 and 7, so multiply here 3K. So 6 and 3K, 8K. And here 3K into 7. So definitely ratio will be 6 is to 7 because K, 3K cancel 6 is to 7. And here you multiply it by 7. So here also multiply it 7 because ratio must be 2 is to 3. So 2 is to 3. And now it is 18K, it is 14K, it is 21K. So it is 18K, it is 14K. So saving will be 4K. Okay. By the way, saving ratio is given 4 is to 9. So if it is 4K, so this is going to be 9K. So here saving is 9K, expenditure is 7 3 21. So income 9K plus this 21K is 30K. So now it is simple. The ratio of the income of Lakshmi and Meena is 6 3 18K over 30K. 6 3 6 5 Answer is 3 is to 5. So previously I explained you a general approach. Now it is a quicker approach which you must follow in your final exam. Let the next question is fx is x by 2x minus 1, gx is x by x minus 1. Then the domain function hx is f of gx plus g of fx is all real number except. So here fx is x by 2x minus 1. So this function will not be defined for x is equal to 1 by 2. Because on putting x is equal to 1 by 2, this function's denominator will be 0. And then this functions will not be defined. So x cannot be here equal to 1 by 2. And gx is x upon x minus 1. So here x cannot be 1 because in that scenario, when you put x is equal to 1, then 1 upon 0, again denominator 0, means this function will not be defined. So it is not possible. X is equal to 1 is not possible for this function. Now take hx is f of gx and g of f of x. So here f of gx, so it is x by x minus 1 and here g of x upon 2x minus 1. So this is x upon x minus 1 twice x upon x minus 1 minus 1. And here x upon 2x minus 1 upon x minus 1. So this will be equal to x upon 2x minus x plus 1. And here x minus 2. So it is x upon minus x plus 1. So this hx will be x 1 minus x plus 1 plus x upon 1 minus x square, cancel, 2x upon 1 minus x square. So here x is equal to minus 1 if you put, then denominator will be 0. So this is not possible. If you put x is equal to minus 1, then 2 into minus 1 upon this will be 0, which is not possible. So x is not equal to minus 1, x is not equal to 1, x is not equal to 1 by 2. So answer is second. Now the next question, a loan of rupee 1000 is fully repaid by 2 installments of rupee 530 and 594 paid at the end of first and second year respectively. If the interest is compounded annually, then the rate of interest in percentage. Let the rate is R percent. Let the rate is R percent per annum. So rupee 1000 after 1 year will be 100 plus R by 100. But after 1 year, 530 rupees given. So minus 530 will be the outstanding amount for the next year. And next year again, 100 plus R percent. And this is equal to 594 because this loan is repaid by the only two installment, 530 and 590 at the end of first and second year. And now get value of R. So here it is 1000 plus 10R minus 530 and here it is a 100 plus R is equal to 59400. So 1000 minus 530 is a 470 plus 10R 100 plus R 59400. We can take 10 common, so finally it is 47 plus R 100 plus R 5940. Now here one choice one is 10, 9, 8, 11. So here do one thing. Simply you use the options. Okay. And which option I should take first? Like first take option 10. So for option 1, R is 10. So 47 plus 10 and 100 plus 10. It is 57 and it is 110. So this is 11 7 just 77, 11 5 just 55, 55 and 7. 55 and 7 is 6. This is not equal to 5940. So option 1 cannot be answered. Now question is, on putting R is equal to 10, we are getting left hand side greater than 5940. It means when R is equal to 10 is not a value satisfying the left hand side to the right hand side. So more than 10 is no question. Now the two options you have, only 2 and 3. So anyone you can take. Suppose I take option 3, 8 because it is an even number. So then it is 47. R is for R is equal to 8. Option 3. Here it is 47 plus 8 into 100 plus 8. So 108 and this is going to be 55. So 5 8s are 40 This is 0, 4, 5. It is 0, 4, 9, 5, 9, 4, 0. So right answer is R 8. So this way you can do these questions. Okay. But if you are trying to solve it, then it is a time consuming. So this is your answer. Answer R is here 8%. Next question is, if m and n, if m and n are integers such that m plus 2n into 2m plus n is equal to 27, then the maximum possible value of 2m minus 3n. So here we have to find the maximum possible value of 2m minus 3n. M and n are integers. So here m plus 2n into 2m plus n is equal to 27. It means left hand side, the product of this into this is equal to 27. So let us write 27 as a product of two numbers and both must be integers. So we can break 27 as 1 into 27, 27 into 1, or 3 into 9, or 9 into 3, and minus also, like minus 1, minus 27, minus 27, into minus 1, minus 3, into minus 9, minus 9 into minus 3. Okay. Means if I take this factor, then m plus 2n will equal to 1 and twice m plus n will equal to 27. Okay. M and n both are integers. Look here. Here the coefficient of m is 1 and here it is 2. And the coefficient of n, equation number 1 is 2 and in 2 it is 1. If we add equation number 1 and 2, then 3m plus 3n is equal to 28 and m plus n 28 by 3. 28 by 3 is not an integer. And when m and n both are integer, then result must be integer. Okay. M plus n must be integer because both are integers. So this way we can cancel out this, that 1 and 27 is not possible. Similarly, 27 and 1 not possible. Minus 1, 27 and minus 27 and 1 not possible. Then 3 and 9. If I take 3 and 9 here, like m plus 2n is equal to, suppose I am taking this 3 and this is 2m plus n is equal to 9. Then if I add, then this is coming 3m plus n, 3 plus 9, 12, and it is 4. So m plus n is 4. It is there is possibility. Okay. So it means 39 or 93 minus 39 and minus 93. These four product of 27 can be checked. Okay. Because we have to find the maximum possible value of 2m minus 3. So the point is clear. So let us check these four factors. First time taking 3 and 9. Suppose it is 3 and this is 9. This one. So m plus 2n is 3, it is 9. So multiply it by 2. So twice m plus 4 and 6. Twice m plus n is 9. Means on equating, we will get 3n. It is a minus. Means on equating, I'm getting value of n and m. 3n is minus 3. So n is minus 1. N is minus 1, so m will be minus 1. 3 is m will be minus 2. 3 plus 2, 5. M is 5, n is minus 1. Okay. And this way we can find the value of 2m minus 3n. Okay. And here, if I take m plus 2n is equal to 9, this another. And 2m plus n is equal to 3. Then on equating this, 2m plus 2. 2m, 2 se multiply, 2 to the 4 and 18, and this is 2m plus n, 3 subtracted, cancel, 3n, 18 minus 3, 15, n is 5, n is 5, put in here, m plus 2 into 5, 9, m is 10, 9 minus 10, minus 1. Same way, if I take m is equal to m plus 2n is equal to this minus 3 and 2m plus n is equal to minus 9. Then on equating, like the 2m plus 4n minus 6, 2m plus n minus 9, minus plus cancel, 3n, 9 minus 6, 3, n is 1, then m plus 2 into 1 is equal to minus 3. So m is minus 3 minus 2. It is minus 5. Just a minute. So here m is minus 5. M is minus 5, n is 1. And one more, when it is minus 9 minus 3, if I take, so m plus 2n is equal to minus 9 and twice m plus n is equal to minus 3. So multiplied by 2, so it is 2m plus 4n, 2m plus n minus 18 minus 3, this is cancelled. So for it is a 3n is equal to minus 18 plus 3 minus 15. So n is 5. N is minus 5. N is minus 5. Then m plus 2 into minus 5 minus 9 means minus 10 plus m is 1. This is so now you have four set of m and n values. So for set 1, let us check 2m minus 3m. So here it is for this set. Twice into m is 5. I'm putting value here 2m minus 3m. So m is 5 and minus 3 into minus 1. So 10 on minus minus plus 10 to 30. Okay. Take this case. Here it is. Here it is 2 into minus 1 minus 3 into 5. So minus 2 and minus 15 minus 17. So you have to find the maximum possible value. This is better than this. So okay, cancel out this. And n is equal to here it is 2 into m. M is minus 5 minus 3 into n is 1. Again, this is going to in minus 10 minus 13. So, okay. And here m1 and n minus 15. So here it will be twice into 1 minus 3 into n is minus 5 to 2 minus minus plus 15 to 17. So it is 13. This is 17. 17 is greater than this. So answer is this. This will be answer. And ये सारे के सारे ये ये और ये not required. The maximum value is 17. So the answer is 17. This is maximum value. Now the next question. A certain amount of money was divided among Pinu, Minu, Rinu, and Seema. Pinu received 20% of the total amount and Meena received 40% of the remaining amount. If Seema received 20% less than Pinu, the ratio of the amount received by Pinu and Renu is. Here we have to find the ratio of the amount received by Pinu and Renu. Okay. So let us take the total amount is 100. If it 100K total amount, Pinu received 20%, means Pinu will 20K. And Meena received 40% of the remaining. So remaining is 80K and 40% of 80 is 32K. If Seema received 20% less than Pino, 20% less than Pino means 80% of this. So 80% of 20K is 16K. Okay. And amount was divided among Pinu, Minu, Rinu, and Seema. So 20 plus 32 plus 16. It is 68. So out of 100K, 68K is distributed to P, M, and S. So remaining amount will go to Renu. 100 minus 68 means 32K. So here P is to R is P is 20K, R is 32K, 4 8 ja, 4 5 ja. 5 is to 8. Answer. Ankita is twice as efficient as Bipin, while Bipin is twice as efficient as Chandan. All three of them start together on a job, and Bipin leaves the job after 20 days. If the job got completed in 60 days, the number of days needed by Chandan to complete the job alone is. Ankita is twice efficient as B. It means in a one day, if Ankita finishes 2W work, then Bipin will finish only W work. In a one day, if Ankita finishes in one day, Ankita is twice efficient as Bipin means Ankita finish. If Ankita finishes a 2W work in a one day, then Bipin will only W work. And Bipin is twice as efficient as Chandan. So means same day, Chandan will finish W by 2 work. So you if multiplied by 2, then it becomes, suppose Ankita in a day work 4W, 2W is W work. So daily Ankita work 4W, Bipin work 2W, and Chandan output is W work. So 4W, 2W, W is W. These are the input given by Ankita, Bipin, Chandan respectively in a day. Now in this question, all three of them started together. If all of three are working together, means A plus B plus C working together, it means 4W plus 2W means daily they will finish 7 work. Okay, Bipin leaves the job after 20 days, means 20 days. A, B, C means Ankita, Bipin, and Chandan were working. So together in 20 days, they will finish 20 into 7 work. Plus remaining work. It is given the job got completed in 60 days. So 20 days plus 40 days more means in 40 days, work will be done by, since Bipin leave the job, so this will be done by Ankita and Chandan. So Ankita do W4 work and Chandan W work. So the total work this way you can calculate. Total work is 140 work plus 5 means 5 into 40 200 work. So the total work is 340 work. Now question is the number of days needed by Chandan to complete the job alone. So the total work is 340. Chandan daily finishes only W work. So divided by, so number of days taken by Chandan is 340. This is our answer. Now the next question. The equation 3x square minus 5x plus p is equal to 0 and 2x square minus 2x plus q is equal to 0 have one common root. The sum of the other roots of these two equations. Okay. So let alpha is a common root. Let alpha is a common root in these two equations. And other roots are beta 1 and beta 2. So alpha and beta 1 root of this equation and alpha and beta 2 are roots of equation number 2. Then sum of the other roots means we have to find beta 1 plus beta 2. This is all about our question. Correct? So as we know in for a quadratic equations, alpha plus beta 1 minus b upon a. So minus 5 by 3. So here beta, it is 5 by 3. Okay. And alpha into beta 1 is p by 3. And here alpha plus beta 2 is by 2 and alpha into beta 2 is q by 2. So from here, it is plus 5 by 3. We can say beta 1 is 5 by 3 minus alpha. And from here, beta is 1 minus alpha. Minus minus plus 2 by 2 is 1. So now beta 1 plus beta 2. Suppose this is third and fourth equations. So add third and fourth. So beta 1 plus beta 2 is 5 by 3 plus 1 means 8 by 3 minus alpha minus 2 alpha. Now we have to find the value of alpha. Alpha is a common root. So alpha will satisfy this equation number 1. Alpha will also satisfy this equation number 2. So let us put alpha in equation number 1. Alpha is a common root. So alpha will satisfy first 3 alpha square minus 5 alpha plus p is equal to 0. And other equation is twice alpha square minus 2 alpha plus 2 equal to 0. Means these two equations are, it can be written as 3 alpha square minus 5 alpha plus p is equal to 2 alpha square minus 2 alpha plus q. Okay. So do one thing. Multiply in this equations by 2, because this way 3 alpha square, it becomes 6 alpha square, and multiply it by 3, then it becomes 6 alpha square. So 6 alpha square, 6 alpha square easily can be cancelled out. So 2 3 ja 6 alpha square minus 10 alpha plus 2p0, and here multiply it by 3. So 6 alpha square minus 6 alpha plus 3q0. Therefore, I can take 6 alpha square minus 10 alpha plus 2p is equal to 6 alpha square minus 6 alpha plus 3q. This cancel. And this minus 10 alpha minus 6 alpha. So minus plus minus 4 alpha. And this will be 3q minus 2p. So it is 4 alpha is equal to 2p minus 3q. So now alpha will be, it's 4 alpha. Here we require 2 alpha. So 2 alpha will be p minus 3 by 2q. So therefore beta 1 plus beta 2 will be 8 by 3 minus 2 alpha. 2 alpha is p minus 3 by 2. 8 by 3 minus p plus 3 by 2. 8 by 3 minus p plus 3 by 2. It is our answer. Now see the next question. Two tangents are drawn from point P touch a circle with center O at point Q and R. Point A and B lie on PQ and PR respectively, such that AB is also tangent to the same circle. If angle AOB 50 degree, then angle APB in degrees. Okay, first let us draw a figure. Suppose this is a figure. And here let us take a point P with outside the circle. So two tangent drawn from this point P. So it is one tangent and this is another tangent. Okay. And point Q and R. Q and R. Okay. Some basic understanding. If a point P is outside the circle, then we can draw only two tangents. And here PQ, length of PQ tangent will equal to the tangent PR. And if I connect it with the center, then tangent make 90-degree angle with radius, and same thing is here. Okay, this is basic knowledge. Okay. Further, point A and B lie on which points A and B lie on PQ and PR respectively, such that AB is also tangent. AB is also tangent. Okay, we can take this like A and B. So here it is point A and B. And now this AB is touching this. Okay. And given AOB, it is the O, center of the circle. AOB is given 50 degree. AOB is given 50 degree. Okay. Then find angle APB. This angle. Look here, some basic information about this tangent and circle and all. Look here. If I draw this connect line P, okay. Now see, this is 90 degree and it is 90 degree. In triangle PQO and in triangle POR, both are 90 degree, right? Plus this PQ is equal to PR, and this is the radius OQ is equal to OR. So in these two triangles, I mean in a triangle PQO and in triangle POR, this is equal to this equal to this, and side PO is a common side. So I think it is easy to say that both are congruent to each other. If congruent, then this angle will also equal to this, and this angle will also equal to this. It means you can say PO is like a bisector. PO is like a bisector. So ये जो angle होगा, this will equal to this. This point is clear. So triangle PQO and POR are congruent, right? And actually, I want to say this PO is a bisector. This is a basic understanding. You all know this. So no need to write it here. Now, if so, it is clear that angle QOP will equal to angle ROP. After this, if we take another triangle AQO, and suppose this point is M, then now triangle AQO and triangle AMO. It is 90. This is the radius, and this AB is a tangent, so this will also be 90 degrees. So look here, again same thing. O in triangle AQO, QO is the radius, and in triangle MO is the radius. Okay, ये भी radius, this is radius. Okay, तो दोनों radius हो गए. अच्छा, this point A you can take very similar to point B. This is a point A. From here I'm drawing this tangent AQ and this AM. So AM and AQ will equal to each other. AQ will equal to AM. Okay, you know this concept. This will be equal to this. So again, you can say these two triangles are congruent to each other because AO side is a common side of it. It means this angle of triangle AQO will be equal to this angle of AMO. And this angle will equal to this. So here, this is both are equal. So if it is alpha, this is going to be alpha. Same way you can take here in triangle MBO and BOR, that if it is beta, then this will also be a beta. Okay. So I think point is very clear that alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is actually equal to angle AOR. AOR is alpha plus beta. So it is equal to 50 degree. Alpha plus beta 50 degree. And now this alpha and this alpha 2 alpha and it is 2 beta. So let us take one quadrilateral here. This is, and it is, and this is. This point is P, this is Q, and this is R, this is O. It is given 90 degree. It is given 90 degree. And here alpha, 2 alpha plus 2 beta. So this is going to be twice alpha plus beta. And this angle is to be found out. So now it is a P R O Q, a quadrilateral. And in a quadrilateral, sum of the interior angle is equal to 360. So it is 90, it is 90, 180. It should also be 180. 2 alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is at 50 degree. So this is going to be 2 into 50 degree means 100 degree. If it is 100 degree, then this will be 80. And this is our answer. Now the next question. Next question is Rita and Sneha can row a boat at 5 km per hour and 6 km per hour in still water, respectively, in a river flowing with a constant velocity. Sneha takes 48 minutes more to row 14 km upstream than to row the same distance downstream. If Rita starts from a certain location in the river and returns downstream to the same location, taking a total 100 minutes, then the total distance in kilometer Rita will cover. So here Rita is Rita can row with a speed 5 km per hour in still water. Suppose Rita speed is S1 equal to 5 km per hour. And Sneha speed in still water is S2, it is equal to 6 km per hour. In a river flowing with a constant velocity. Suppose constant velocity of the river is uh, river velocity is, suppose it's a c kilometer per hour. So resultant speed in a direction of a current is a downstream, and resultant speed in a against the direction of a river. Uh, is upstream. You know this, it's a basic concept. So here it is given Sneha takes 48 minutes more to row 14 kilometer upstream. So, speed is equal to time upon distance, means time is distance upon speed. So distance is 14 kilometer. Upstreams means resultant speed will be, it is for Sneha. So it is 6 minus C. This time minus and downstream. Now the resultant speed will be 6 plus C. This is given equal to 48 minutes. 48 minutes divided by 60, now converted to hour. Simplify it. So this is 12 4 ja, 12 5 ja, and here 14 is common. LCM will be 36 minus C square. This is 6 plus C minus 6 plus C. It is 4 by 5. This minus 6 plus 6 cancel. And here this is 2 7 ja, 2 2 ja. And this 7 into 2C into 5 is equal to 2. 36 minus C square. This 2 will cancel. So finally, this quadratic equation C square plus 7 5 35C minus 36 is equal to 0. After solving this quadratic equations, it is minus 36 minus 135 means C is minus 36 and C is 1. So this is not an acceptable value of C. C is equal to 1. Okay. And now the Rita start from a certain location in the river and return downstream to the same location, taking total time 100 minutes. So suppose Rita traveled d distance and d distance C in a downstream and d distance in upstream direction. Is in the direction of the river and against the direction of the river. So distance d, one time upstream and one time downstream. So in a downstream, resultant speed will be equal to the 5 plus C, and here it will be 5 minus C. The total time is given 100 minutes divided by 60 is hour. So here the value of C is 1. So this is 1 upon 6 and this is 1 upon 4. This is 25 3 5 by 3. This is calcium 12 2 3 5 by 12 5 by 3 cancel. It is 4. So D is 4 kilometers. Here the question is the total distance in kilometer Rita will cover. So Rita total distance is 4 plus 4 because she start from a certain location in the river and return downstream to the same location. So 4 plus 4, 8. This is answer. Answer is 8 kilometer.